magazine. Writing has always been a part of my life for as far as I can remember. It is something where I don't have to pretend to be someone else and just can be myself. Writing has always been my comfort zone and something which makes me feel comfortable about myself. My thoughts on mental health were always very relatable and something I completely agreed on, something which I connected to a very personal level. I have always felt that mental health has always been a taboo subject, a subject which people generally shy away from talking and are mostly not comfortable talking about. People's views and reaction towards mental health can range from ambiguous behavior to strong disdain. And strong disdain and unlikeness for the subject. So I would like to change that, or at least try to change that through my writing, so that I can reach a wider audience and share my views on mental health to them as well. Art is a great way of expressing your emotions and your inner feelings, as it can always make you feel free and happy and liberated from all your woes and worries and stress and all the strain which you have in your day-to-day life. It just makes you feel free because you can write about anything and everything, and art can help you in that. Art is a very abstract way of expressing yourself, but at the same time it's a very concrete way as well to express yourself in a sense which maybe it can't be expressed in a regular setting or in a regular environment. So art gives you the strength to go through the mundane ritual of the day-to-day life. So I just want all the people out there to just do what you want to do and what you feel like doing, and truly find whatever you do, truly find what you're passionate about doing, without any shy, or without feeling shy or having any fears of being judged, and make the most of it, especially during this lockdown period. Using the link given in the description to get a copy of the magazine to read my article.